Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about the FTMO challenge, that how you can pass your FTMO challenge with a very easy method. Today I'm going to tell you that what I am doing with my personal trading. So right now look at here, this is my real account and I have accepted the challenge to double this real account, and already we are up, and you can see that let me show you from the account history. So if you look at from here, that I have made the profit of $688.59 till now, and the deposit was only 1073.96. okay, so after, when we will be going to reach the $2000, then we will be going to make the withdraw request as well, and I will also post the video on YouTube as well. So guys, what I am doing, so you know that 200 Forex Pips is providing the expert advisor, that is no martingale. It does not double the lot size. If it takes further it trades, then it use the same lot size. And the second important thing, that I am using the indicators on the 4-hour chart, the 200 Forex Pips indicator that does not repaint. So look at here, this is the gold 4-hour chart, and I have received the buy signal here, and I have simply triggered my trade, and you can see it's just with a minimum lot, because when you are going to pass the FTMO challenge, you do not bear the high drawdowns. I know very well about it. So you can use the minimum lots. You can set up 0.10, 0.20, anything like this, because the accuracy is much higher on the 4-hour chart. Look at the drop that we have received in the previous days on gold, and it was a very big drop. And you just need to, when you need to open a trade from here on this sell position, then you need to hold that one, because you can see the orange dots are coming into the downward direction. This is the sign that market is still following the same trend, and here the market has pointed us with the buy direction, and after that you can see the market is retracing back. Okay, so overall I am in a profit, and it's giving me 8.97. I am not closing the trade. Maybe that after few days I will find the market here. So it depends on the market. If the signal will get changed, then I will definitely exit from that trade, and that will be my take profit in that scenario. Okay, the next signal that is given to me on the 4-hour chart was USD CHF, and you can see I have a sell position here. The sell position is still in a little bit loss, and I'm just working on it. So let's wait and hope for the best, because we have already received very good signals on this chart. Okay, so now let's talk about the Euro USD, the trade that you can see that is already in somehow little bit profit. It just started, and you can see I have triggered a bit late, and this indicator sends you the notification on your mobile phone. It has the mobile phone alert option. There is no need to sit in front of your laptop all the time. So I triggered a bit late, but overall it's a little bit it's into the working into the profit and losing, and overall it's not far from my entry. So I'm very hopeful that it will also go into my direction. Now look at the Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to take you toward the 4-hour chart, and you can see we have very good beautiful green dots and a buy signal, and I have simply triggered the trade with just 0.01 lot size. And normally I know the traders very well. With the 0.01 lot size, they are just catching up to few cents, or maybe probably $1. But you can see here with the 0.01 on a real account, I am into the profit, that is $6.35, and still the market has the potential to go up. And look at this sell ride. You can see the beautiful downward trend stays for a longer period of time. This is the quality of the 4-hour chart, and you can see if the market will go up to here, then how much will be my profit with 0.01. So you can imagine by yourself. Okay, so AUD CAD, look at here, I have received a buy signal, and you can see the buy signal. I have simply triggered my trade. Now you can see on the 4-hour I am already up, and it is giving me a profit. At next I have Great Britain Pound AUD. Okay, so now look at here, this is the beauty. Look, I am into the $6.33 profit. The sell position was here, and I took a sell position. The market is going down. I am already running into the profit. I am not worried about the closing the trade, because I know when I will receive a buy signal here, then definitely I will be notified on my mobile phone, and then wherever I will be, out of my home, at office, and even into the market, I will be able to close my trade just by looking at my mobile phone. Okay, now look at here, another big trade, Great Britain Pound JPY. Sell position was advised. And guys, this indicator does not repaint in any way. Okay, all you just to need to do here, look at this pattern. This pattern shows that the market is ranging. You do not have to trade the ranging patterns. Either the market should be down or either the market should be up. Now look at here, the market was up, I have received a sell signal, I have triggered the trade, I am into the profit at the moment. Okay, at next and at last I am talking about CAD. Yes, I have a buy signal and I have just triggered my trade. Look at here, the market is not ranging, it's going up down up down. This is how it is working, so it's a good pair to trade. So I have received the buy signal. Now you just need to have a patience and then trade according to it. There is no need to rush in anything. However, if your lot size is good, then guys, you can trade it with your choice as well. You can improve your lot size as well. So right now my testing is going on with the minimum lot size. So this is how I am doing. So guys, it is very easy to pass the FTMO challenge with this indicator. All you need to do is to switch to the 4-hour chart. Do not trade the ranging pairs, just trade those pairs and trigger your trades on those pairs which are not ranging. They should be up or down. Like for example, let's talk about gold. The gold was down, buy signal came, you have triggered the trade, that is completely fine. Okay, so you can do good trading with these indicators. And guys, if you want to get these indicators, if you want to book the copy of No Martingale Expert Advisor, then you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, moreover, I also provide coaching for the Forex market and I have special packages for it. So if you want to book your coaching sessions with me, if you want to get the expert advisor, indicators, signals, for all this you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. All the links are provided in the description of this video below. If you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.